Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're running a WooCommerce store, you know how powerful customer reviews are. But by default, WooCommerce places the Reviews tab after the long product description, where most visitors might miss it. In this video, I'll show you how to move the Reviews tab before the description, just like how Shopify places customer reviews at the top. It helps build trust earlier in the buying journey and feels more modern. No settings, no coding, just a free plugin that works out of the box. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Click Add New. In the search bar, type ShieldClimb. Look for the plugin with the coral red logo and reviews icon. Click Install now. Then click Activate. That's it. Now on every product page, the Reviews tab will appear before the Description tab automatically. It works with any theme, has no settings page, and won't slow down your site. This simple change makes your WooCommerce layout feel more like Shopify, showing real customer feedback before anything else. It's a great way to boost trust and improve your product pages instantly. We also offer free plugins that let you accept credit card payments with instant approval and instant payouts, as well as a crypto gateway with no redirects and instant payouts. Click the video on the right to learn more. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more free WordPress tools at ShieldClimb.com. See you in the next one.